My dad was diagnosed with end-stage liver disease as well as fourth stage liver cancer. And knowing what he went through, the difficulties and losing hope at one point, I really hope that one day what I'm doing here will bring hope to those who need it most. And that's why I'm in it for patients.
Why are we in it for patients? Because we're all patients. Working here at Sutro gives me hope that someday we will do whatever we can to help patients live longer, better, and healthier lives. That's why I'm in it for patients.
I am really in it to bring hope to patients. There are many patients out there that really suffer from cancer, right? And I think each and every day, if I can get up and do my part, I know that one day it'll bring hope for many patients out there.
That's why I'm in it for patients.